Take a look at us. Take a look at this face. Oh, so tired. Yeah. What is it? 4.5 hours.
So far.
So, and we're not even there yet. Total. That's it. We're on our way down.
But there's, what, 2.5 hours?
Like in a waterfall, Wigmore Waterfall, also known as.
It had a different name when I can't even start saying it. It says formerly known as Wigmore's Waterfall.
But it's now something else.
Something.
We'll take a picture later. It's up the back there. Yeah. Okay, but it's freaking hot now. Oh. There you go. We made it. Gabby, 2 hours later. Look at a bunch of luck. But 1 hour up, 1 hour down. It's 2 hours to get up to see this, the needle.
Feel a lightness in my step. You're miles away, but I still feel you. Anywhere I go, there you are. Anywhere
That's what Gabby feels like after the hike. Get away from her, a zombie.